So guys, these are all Kasima's clothes. Like, where do I start from? Why are you writing this video? The man dead pain me, seriously. So this is the wardrobe. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Oh, look at that glow, you guys. I'm glowing. Oh, this Christmas is already shining on me, and we are in Hamatan. We are in Hamatan already, and I'm glowing like this. See, person wife now. This beauty choke. You guys are welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. You are welcome to Ada series. I'm a YouTuber based in Delta State, Nigeria. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. And to my old subscribers, I truly salute. You guys are the best. Thank you all for always watching my videos. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my baby's wardrobe. Yes, I'm going to be decluttering her wardrobe because that wardrobe is filled up with both useless clothes, tear clothes, nonsense clothes, rubbish clothes. I want to go and shop for my baby's Christmas wear. A kind of change of wardrobe for her, because most of her clothes, she has outgrown most of her clothes. I'll be decluttering them and I'll be burning the bad ones, the one that I cannot dash to people. I will set it at place and then arrange the other ones in the wardrobe, because I want to create space where I will put in the new ones that I'm going to shop for her. And I'm also cooking in the kitchen. You guys know now there is no video without cooking. You cannot watch another series video without cooking. You guys know I love cooking. Cooking is my hobby actually, so that's why you must watch me cooking in my kitchen. You must watch me cooking in my kitchen whether I like it or not. So I'm cooking palm oil rice. That's what I feel like eating this afternoon. Is this afternoon? I think is it afternoon already? I don't know. This is like to 12 after 12. I don't really know. But that's what I feel like eating today. I'm making palm oil rice. I'm already boiling the rice right now. And I say, let me come here and start up this video. And then as I'm decluttering, I'm cooking the food, you guys. There's no time to waste time. Seriously. I'm also have another video that I'll be filming today. I don't know which one will go first. Maybe this one before that one. I don't really know. But I just need to hurry up. My baby is sleeping. I don't want her to wake up and meet me filming. Especially this decluttering. I don't need any distraction for her. I don't need anybody to come and start scattering, putting the old ones in the new ones. In fact, I don't need distraction for her. So I will rush the cooking and at the same time this decluttering, so that I will go into the next video, you guys. So let's go to the kitchen and check what we are cooking and come back and start decluttering the wardrobe. You guys. I just received a bad news right now. Like, I feel like crying, honestly. I just feel like crying. I've been thinking, what would this lady do? I just received a call from my girlfriend that one man like that died this morning. That he was about crossing the main road, and I don't know whether he's a Okada or anything. I don't know. Just hit the man and he fell and hit his head on the quota and died. Like, I've been thinking, what would this woman do with 3 children? And this man I'm talking about, this is my friend that just called me, did her child dedication 2 weeks ago, either 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, and all of us were together in that dedication, both the man and the wife with the 3 kids. We were together in the dedication. Like, getting this news, it's well.
Every day by day I hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day I hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. No food for lazy man. No begging. Use your hand. No tifu. Struggle is the way. We dey hustle every day.
guys, these are all Kasima's clothes. Like, where do I start from? They are quite a lot, but most of them are just useless to us. But most of her shoes, you put all these carton baby shoes, she has outgrown most of them. So not most of them, all of them. So these are the things I need to arrange. So you guys, I was praying for her not to wake up until I'm done with everything, but as you can see, she's already awake helping me, and this is what I don't want. I don't need her help, seriously. It's all right. Mommy. What is it? Come. Come. I don't need your help. Go and lie down there. Climb the bed fast.
If you say you find it, thank you, God. If you wanna be your photo, for this world every day, nobody complete you. If you say you find it, thank you, God. If you wanna be your photo, for this world every day, nobody complete you. If you say you find it, thank you, God.
Are you ready?
If you wanna be your photo.
You guys say, I'm that kind of person that doesn't like anything oversized on kids. Be it oversized shoe, oversized slippers, or especially oversized clothes. I hate it with passion. But with this, my baby, I realized that if you buy their exact size of clothes, like if you buy their exact size, before you know it, they'll just outgrow the clothes, because most of the time they will wear it only twice, sometimes 3 times. Before you know it, they won't be able to wear it again because no more be sizing them, or maybe it will be jump up or something else. That's what is happening to me with most of my baby's clothes here. Like, most of her clothes, she didn't get to wear them up to 3 times, especially her outing wears, because we don't go out. We don't normally go out of this house. So most of her outing wears, party wears, like almost all of them are no more sizing her. Like, she has outgrown most of them. So I don't know. I regret not buying oversized for her. If I didn't, I bought oversized for her, it won't happen this way. Seriously. Like this clothes now, this clothes is oversized to 2 years plus before she will outgrow this one. So I don't used to like oversized, but now I'm liking it, because that's what I'll be buying. I will not be buying her exact size again. Now money they say they buy all these things, so seriously, I'm money. Like this trouser now. This trouser, if you're looking at it now like this, it looks so long. But I'm telling you that this trouser is not a jump up on my baby's body. Like, it's a jump up trouser on her. And she haven't wear this trouser up to 4 times. What's 4 times, sir? 4 times is even too much. You guys should look at this shoe. Should I call this a shoe or a sandal? My friend gifted her for Christmas, but this shoe is not her size yet. Is this a shoe or a sandal shoe? I don't know. It's not her size yet. This is size 22. And she's still wearing size 20. That's how small her leg is. Sit down there and eat. This is the shoe.
Come on. Come on. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord saves him from them all. The enemy will dig a pit and fall into it.
So guys, we are done with the decluttering. So these ones, I'm going outside right now to go and burn them. But I don't know if I should burn this dress, this gown, you guys. I don't know. This is actually her dedication wear, like a uniform, our two. My own, I'm still wearing my own comfortably, but her own, she has outgrown her own. I don't know if I should burn it or I should keep it. I don't just know. It's like I'll just keep it. Maybe if I have another baby girl, maybe. I don't know. So this is the wardrobe. So let me show you guys how I arranged everything. So in here is where I put all her pants, her stockings, her bib, her belts, to go, her hairbands. I put all of them here. So in here is her outing wears or church wears. Here is house wears, like these are home wears, like she wear these ones out home. So it has reduced. Normally I can't close this thing because it's filled up with clothes. Here I put our dirty wears, the one that is already dirty. See I never eat since morning, seriously, and this is after 1. I'm going to go and I just finished. Jesus. You guys, wait, let me show you guys what this girl is doing here. This is her wife, so can you see it? She's busy pulling it out from this waterproof. What's wrong with this girl? I'm heading over to the kitchen right now to go and eat first. I've not eaten since morning. This is after 1. Oh, life of a content creator. You guys, remember I told you guys I still have another video that I want to film after this particular one. I'm not sure I'm still going to film that video, honestly, because this news that I just got this afternoon, it just killed my morale. Like, I don't feel like, if not that I've already started this particular one, I'm not sure I would have vlogged it again, but that's because I've already started and I've already gone halfway, if not. The man dead Spanish, seriously. But I need to go and burn those clothes. Wait, no, let me drink water first. Wait, I need to go and burn those clothes, seriously. Like right now, before any other time. We are outside. We are sitting outside our compound. I should carry you. Come. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi, guys. Welcome to my mommy's channel. Yes, mommy's channel. So we are outside where we are burning our clothes. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you absolutely enjoy watching this video, hey, stop now, you want to break my hand. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, share this video, like this video, give me your comments down below, and I will definitely see you all in my next one.